welcome back to my channel. It's me, Amariaaa, and I'm so happy to be back, y'all. So I'm here to do I'm sorry, that was okay. So I'm here to do a final review on this wig that I bought from ISEE Hair. Honestly, you guys, I'm just be straight up with y'all. I'm gonna be straight up. I bought this hair on my own money. Like, y'all already know. Okay, I buy hair with my own money. I ain't getting sponsored, ain't nothing being sent to me. I'm spending my own coin, just like the rest of y'all. So I want to be able to tell you guys a real review and be honest as I can, be as transparent as I can, because I don't want any of you guys who watch my videos and who actually, you know, watch me do these videos and go out and go get this hair and it's horrible. Like, I don't want that to happen to y'all. I want to make sure that if I'm telling you guys this hair is fabulous, you know, it's the bomb.com. I'm gonna laugh, okay? Anyways, I got this hair from ISEE Hair, and I got their Brazilian water wave. I will put all their information in the description box below, because honestly, I bought this hair like, I think a month ago, a month ago. So I don't really remember everything, but I know I did get the texture water wave, which I love. I love this water wave texture. You probably seen in the beginning of a video, there was like a little video of me with my hair, excuse me, and I had like a headscarf on. Honestly, like, this hair is really bomb, especially for the summertime. Like, I would definitely be wearing this hair during the summertime because it is so freaking pretty, especially when it's wet. And then I actually have this curl cream that I use. Ooh, I forgot the name of it, but I have this curl cream I use that I put in this hair, and this hair curls so freaking good. Like you know what? I just thought of something. I should do a video, like a curling routine for this hair. Okay, ooh, yes. Yes, I'm gonna do a video of like my curling routine with this hair. Ooh, that'd be bomb. Especially because that cream be really curling this hair. Okay, I'm sorry. I just got off topic for a second because I'm thinking about, like, I should definitely do what is it called? A curling routine or whatever, to show you guys how I get this hair texture and get it to look so cute and curly, and the curls to come out all wavy and cute and have this little, have to have this water wave effect. Like, I'm going to do a video on that. So yeah. I just thought about that. I'm doing a video on that. Anyways, this hair is definitely for the summertime, because I'm not gonna lie, when I be having this on, I be sweating, and I'm sweating a little bit right now. I be sweating when I have this wig on, but like I said, this hair is definitely for the summertime. Like, it's super cute. It's true to length. It actually is 22 inches. I don't remember exactly how much I paid for it, but I will put in the description box below my first review and all the hair links to this hair in the description box below. So go ahead and go down there if you want to check it out or whatever. This hair is definitely really cute. Tangling wise, let's talk about tangling, okay? Let's talk about some tangling here. So tangling wise, I will definitely say this hair does not tangle as much. Like, you know how you be taking your wigs off, and you put it somewhere in a drawer or whatever. You just let it sit for a couple of days, and you're not really wearing it. And then you take it out, and you're like, ooh, I want to wear this wig today. You take it out, and the hair is kind of like a little tangled. Yeah, this hair gets a little my voice is changing. This hair gets like a little tangled, you know what I'm saying? Like a little tangled, but it's not to the point where it's like, like, damn, I can't get it untangled. It's definitely not like that. If you put some, some good water to it, it's perfectly fine. After that, it's perfectly fine. I feel like I just did like 10 different voices in this video, but it's okay. That's just me. That's what I do. Look, I'm over here changing again. Let me stop. Anyways, right, like I said, the hair does get tangled if you kind of leave it, if you kind of leave it a little bit. It does get tangled, but if you put some water to it, it'll go right back to the way it was. So that's not that bad, I don't think. I mean, if you never had curly hair before and you're not like a person who can maintain tangling of hair, and you don't know how to, you know, really do anything with it, don't get curly hair. That's all I can say. Don't get curly hair. That's it. Just don't get it. Let's go into shedding. This hair definitely sheds. I have a detangling brush that I use on this hair pretty much all the time. I don't use anything else but the detangling brush to comb the hair out, and when I'm trying to put the cream in, I comb my hair after that too. This hair definitely does shed. It's not to the point where it's like, oh my god, that's a lot of shedding. It's not like that, but it, like, when you get done brushing it, it's some hair in that brush. When I say that, like, it does tangle. But that doesn't mean the hair is necessarily bad. You know, it's not necessarily bad, but it does shed. So if you're the type of person who does not like hair that sheds, or like I said, any hair that tangles, this is probably not the hair for you, and I would not buy it. Okay. But if you've had curly hair before and you know you can maintain it, and a little shedding is pretty much nothing, and a little tangling is nothing to you, then I say purchase it. This could be your, you know, like I said, your summer hair, basically. It's like it's kind of getting like light and dark. I don't know why. Ooh, this hair is cute though. I'm feeling you. Hey girl. Anyways, what does I want to say? That's pretty much it. Like, I don't really have anything else I can say about this hair, like, except I definitely will buy it, because especially for your first wig, because I've seen other people done videos on different wig companies, and I've been to the different wig companies, and the prices for some of them wigs be a little bit outrageous in my opinion. Like, who finna pay all that money for, like, no. no. It'd be a lot of money for your, like, I feel like anybody with their first wig, definitely for your first wig, I would go with this hair company. Like, the hair quality is beautiful, it's great. I love this texture of this hair. Like I said, you guys already know I love the texture of this hair, and especially if you're not really trying to spend anything over $200, I would go to this hair company. I also bought a second wig from them that I'm going to be doing a hair review very soon. Like, I have a lot of hair reviews coming soon, but the reason why I have not filmed anything or put anything out yet is mainly because I wanted to get this video out, and I was doing finals. Tomorrow is actually my last day of finals, so I'm gonna probably get back into the things where I'm gonna be filming a little bit more and putting out more videos. So I actually, I'll tell you a little secret. I actually, this hair is not glued down. This is like glueless right now, honey. It's glueless. And y'all know I'm not no stylist or anything. I'm not no stylist. I mean, I be getting what I know from YouTube, pretty much. You can get anything from YouTube at this point. But this is glueless right now because, you know, I just didn't feel like gluing it down, and I hate sometimes using glue because it gets stuck to your natural hair, like when you have a wig cap on and then you put the glue all around your head. It just be getting stuck, and it'd be too much glue, and it'd be glue on the wig lace, and like I didn't have time for that. I didn't have the time for it, y'all. I didn't have the time for it. I said, you know what? Let's just go glueless. Let's just go glueless at this point, because who has the time to be taking off this wig and basically snatch it out my edges to get this wig off? Nobody has time for that, because I know I don't have time for it. Like, no. So, yeah, it's glueless. I may do a video on that too, so, you know. You never know. You never know. I got some good views. I got some good videos come for y'all. I got some good videos for y'all. You never know. You just never know. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for all my subscribers who have stuck with me, and any new subscribers. Hey y'all. Hey girl. How you doing? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, baby, so you can be notified when I post a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video.